The Moral Misanthrope.
Welcome to or welcome back to the channel, whatever the case may be for you. If you're new here, go ahead and consider subscribing if you enjoy what you see. There's a good chance you might not enjoy it, but there's also the good chance you might enjoy it. And if you don't, go back and watch some of my other videos because it might change your mind. I don't know. But we are doing something new today. I know I say that all the fucking time, but this really is pretty new, and I have waited many moons for this. Many moons for this. This is an artist I've been very excited about and waiting for a video, an official video that we could watch together. You know, one of my subscribers a couple of years ago, introduced me to this artist because of my affinity for Chelsea Wolfe, and I immediately fell in love. And this is you know, I've got her previous work on vinyl, and her new album is about to drop August 6th. It's called Sinner Get Ready, and in tribute to this new song and video. This song is called Pennsylvania Furnace. I've got on my fancy hat and shirt. I've been waiting for new music, a new album from this artist. This is Lingua Ignota. Her name's Kristen Hayter. She goes under the moniker Lingua Ignota. She is an incredible artist on so many levels. Just her music is just something else, and I am so excited about this. So I'm not even gonna talk about it anymore. I hope you enjoy this as much as I'm assuming I am going to enjoy this. She has not done anything that I have not enjoyed, so I'm completely optimistic. And by the way, if you're wondering, I am doing a little bit better with the whole Delta COVID fucking horse shit. I am feeling better. I'm getting some of my taste back. Things are starting to taste correctly again. I'm getting a little bit of my sense of smell back. My appetite is coming back. I've been able to eat again. I'm not like retching all over the place anymore, so things are getting better. Lingua Ignota, Pennsylvania Furnace. Let's do this.
Me and the dog, we died together. Within the Lord I cast off all my earthly bonds. There is victory in Jesus.
Okay, this is already giving me like Ari Aster vibes, like, you know, Midsummer and like Hereditary. Like, this is already like, I'm here for it. And of course, I mean, I love her voice. Her voice is just something absolutely fucking spectacular. Lyrically, I can only imagine how deep this is going to get, because her lyrics are, oh my God. If you ever get the chance, listen to the song Woe to All. It's off her album All Bitches Die. But read the lyrics to that fucking song. And Do You Doubt Me, Traitor, off of Caligula. That's another deep one. Okay, let's keep going.
Jesus, Jesus, do you wanna be in hell with
Okay, I just want to say this is like kind of giving me chills right now. Like this is, it's, it's beautiful, but it's still kind of dark. I mean, it's pretty dark, pretty dark. Um, but it's like it doesn't have. It's not like an overt creepiness to it, not like an in your face, like, oh my god, this is making me uncomfortable kind of creepy, but there is a subtle underlying creepiness to it, but it's still got these, like, it's real beautiful, like it's almost got like a major sound, major chord kind of sound to it, but not really. I don't know what I'm saying. Except here, obviously.
And all that I've learned is everything burns. Do you wanna be in hell with me? I wish things could be any other way. I watched you along home, where you live with your family. But one thing I've learned is everything burns.
This is just magnificent. Like, I mean, it's haunting. It's beautiful. It's emotional. Just visually, like I was saying, it's kind of the aesthetic reminds me of like Midsummer, Hereditary, directorial kind of style. It fits with the name of the song, Pennsylvania Furnace. It's kind of got that kind of geographical fucking thing going on. And just she looks radiant as always. And her voice just like, I love Kristen Hayter so much. I would marry her and make a dark music project with her. We could do like thrash and noise and pianos and just like and limitless, just outside the box. It could be really experimental. Like we could do shit no one's ever heard of. Like I don't know. I mean, I doubt I'll ever meet her, and I know she definitely wouldn't like marry me and to start some kind of weird music project, but still I would be her best friend. Even like she is a goddess.
Above all others, above all,
This whole last little bit here, the way all of this was filmed, is fucking so beautiful. It's perfect.
Above all
some little Chelsea Wolf. Chelsea Wolf. Just giving me slight Chelsea Wolf vibes here. I'm loving the hat. It's not really like mine, but it's close enough. And gosh, she's so incredible. This video, I'm loving it. Her voice, her just the piano, like this. It's so simple, but just so powerful. Oh my God, I am so in love right now. This is art. Love her Caligula tattoo. What's she doing? Oh, why? Are you purifying yourself?
Me and the dog, we die together.
So yeah, that was Lingua Ignota, Pennsylvania Furnace, off of the upcoming album Sinner Get Ready. And I am ready. I am so ready for it. I have been ready for it. I can't wait. I'm hopefully going to be pre-ordering vinyl for it soon. Yeah, that was just. She is such a talented artist, such an incredible original artist, and I absolutely adore her, and her music resonates deep within my soul, and I am thankful for her existence every day. So anyway, there is links in the description to merch and other things. Go down, check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you're not already a Lingua Ignota fan, if you are now, or let me know what you thought of the video, of her voice, just, whatever. But in the meantime, I'm going to go. Good people of the